Hello, good morning friends. So in this today video, we are going to generate OTP using JavaScript. So we here not using any IDE for using JavaScript. We directly use the console of Google. So you directly go on the right click and put on the inspect. You can directly see here where the inspect is. You can see this is inspect. So from where when you click on right click, when you right click, then click on inspect. Then after clicking inspect, there is a two windows split into two parts. So you can here see normally console. So after when click on console, then you can see one blank type space where you can be write the JavaScript code. So here we are going to make one function of JavaScript which are automatically generate OTP using random number, and it automatically change when you calling the function again and again. So we are going forward ahead without wasting of time. First of all, please like the video and subscribe my channel for upcoming more videos. Then here we are making our code. So firstly you make one function. You can take any name, like we take function name generate generate OTP. You can take any name of the function. After that we open the large brackets. After in this we take one variable which name digits, and we put some digit inside it like 0 to 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After that when putting digit, we take another variables in the form of let. You already know about var let const. What is the difference between var let const? If you are not aware about this, I will also define this in upcoming video. Please subscribe my channel for seeing the upcoming differences between var let and const. So after that we take one uh, again variable OTP, and we set it into empty, not anything in assigned in this. After this we apply for loop for mm, taking the number of digits of that OTP, means what is the number of digits stored in the OTP. So we make one loop inside that, mm, which start from I equal to 0 to I less than 5, means 5 digits of OTP we want to get, and in the ascending order. After that we again open the loop, and inside this we put one, we take empty OTP, and inside that we store that loop numbers. Let us see how we do this. First you take empty OTP, and empty OTP, inside in empty OTP you enter our mm, random numbers which are taken with the help of our digits, means from where we generate our OTP. So you can take digits, and after that we make one function, uh, mm, math function, man method dot floor. From this you can take any lowest number, and after that we again use math inward function dot random, means you can take any random number between this, and we multiply by 10. Why we multiply by 10? Because we take here digits is from 0 to 9. If you take 0 to 10, then we here multiplied by 11, means between we take number between 0 to 10, not 10. 0 to 10 means 0 to 9. After that we close the bracket, and we close the OTP line. After that we close that loop, and after closing loop we return our OTP. After returning OTP we close our method, and after closing all things we generate OTP method should be called. You can see here in last 1 minute, you see here in last we call generate OTP method. So with the help of this you can call our code what we make. So when we press enter, you see there is a 5-digit OTP should be generated. After that when you call again, like we show you 1 minute, when you call again generate OTP method, then again 5-digit random OTP should be called. So here you thank you for seeing this video. If any query you can comment, and thank you for seeing that. You normally please like and subscribe this for seeing upcoming video. Thank you.